In this video, I'm going to reveal how to promote affiliate links for free online. If you're someone that wants to start doing affiliate marketing to generate commissions on a daily basis, then follow me throughout this entire video. I'm going to share with you a very simple beginner strategy that you can use, and you don't need a following, you don't need sales experience, and you don't need more than 10 minutes per day. Now in just a second, I'm gonna hop into my computer and show you the entire strategy step by step. First, I'm gonna show you how to find a high converting product that's gonna generate commissions for you. Then I'm gonna show you the secret strategy that you can use to drive thousands of eyeballs to your affiliate link for free. And by the end of this video, you can go out there and start generating commissions on a daily basis. Now before I get started, make sure to smash that like button below this video and subscribe if you're new. So let's not waste any more time and let's hop into my computer. Alright guys, so the first step is to find a good product that we can start promoting. Now there's a lot of places that you can go to online, and this strategy will work in any niche. Now just to give you a couple of ideas, I'm going to show you a few websites where you can go and find good quality, high converting products. Alright, so the first website where you can sign up for free and start promoting products that are good quality and high converting is Digistore24. Now Digistore24 is an affiliate network that has hundreds of offers in multiple different niches: the health niche, the weight loss niche, the wealth niche, the relationship niche, basically in any niche. The second option where you can go to is called Clickbank. I'm sure you're familiar with Clickbank. I've mentioned Clickbank several times on my channel. So guys, you have two choices. It doesn't really matter, it's completely up to you. You can sign up to both of these websites 100% for free, and right now I'm going to show you how to find a good product. Alright, let's just say you created a free Digistore24 account, and when you click on the marketplace, you can see that there are 658 results. So this means there are 658 different offers. Now a quick tip for you guys is to pick a niche that you're genuinely interested in. So on the left side, you can see the animals and pets niche, you have the family and kids niche, you have the dating niche, the business and investments niche. So I'd recommend you choose a niche that you are actually interested in. So now I'm going to show you how to find the best performing products on Digistore24 right now. So click on sort by, click on sales rank, and here you can see, like on the first page, these are like the highest converting and the best performing products on Digistore right now. So let's take a look. So this is the Medicore. This is some type of weight loss product, some kind of supplement, right? And you can see that you're going to be paid $155 per sale on average, and you're going to get 85% commissions, right? And you can see that the CAC conversion rate is 27%, and it's created 1 year ago. So as you can see guys, this product alone will pay you $155 per sale. So if you manage to get one sale per day, that's like $5,000 every single month. So now that we have a product to promote, now it's time to go out there and start promoting. So that leads me to step number 2. Head over to youtube.com, and what you want to do now is click on weight loss. So as you can see, there's hundreds of videos about weight loss on YouTube, but we cannot do anything with these videos. We can't download them, we can't reuse them because they have a copyright policy. So what you want to do is click on filters up here, and you can click on Creative Commons. Now Creative Commons is a license that's going to allow you to re-upload any one of these videos that pop up, right? So we can do something like weight loss motivation, right, like this, and now we can find one of these videos that we like, right? Make sure it's a good video. For example, something like this: what losing weight does to your body and brain, right? This is a 2-minute video, it's an animated video. So this video has 10 million views and it was published 4 years ago. So what I can do now is I can click on it, right? And since this video has a Creative Commons license, I can click up here, or I'm going to copy the link, go to YouTube video downloader online, right? So s.youtube.com, I'm going to paste it inside here, I'm going to click on download, and now I can download this video for free. So I'm going to click on 720p, I'm going to click on download, right? I'm going to save it to my desktop, And now what I'm gonna do is go over to bitchute.com. Now this is something like YouTube, and it's becoming more and more popular online. So this is a place where you can upload videos, right? So this is just like YouTube, except it's not that popular. So what you can do is create a brand new account, right? So I have a new account. I just created one just a few minutes ago. And what you can do is you can create a channel, right? And start uploading videos on BitChute. So click on create channel. And now what you can do is you can, as you can see guys, you have the subscribe button. You can tip or pledge someone, notifications. Basically this is the exact same thing, just like YouTube. Now what you can do is click on upload new video, right? And we just downloaded a Creative Commons license video from YouTube that has 10 million views. And now we're gonna re-upload it to bitchute.com. So now grab the video file. So I'm gonna click on browse, and I just saved it to my desktop just a few seconds ago. So this is the video, and I'm gonna click on open, right? So this is a 2-minute video, and now it's very, very important to add the video title, description, and our affiliate URL. Right, so I'm gonna copy the link from YouTube, the title, excuse me, just like this. I'm gonna customize it in just a second, don't worry guys, I'm not gonna copy it word for word. And now the description. So, if you want to learn more about losing weight, click here. Right, you can do something like this, and now head over to Digistore 24, grab the URL, and now we need to open a new tab, right, just like this. Click on tinyurl.com, and we need to shorten it and track our link clicks. So paste it inside there and click on make tiny URL. So now, as you can see from this long URL, we have a nice short tiny URL. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm gonna go back to BitChute and paste it inside there. And now, very, very important is to do some keyword research. So as you can see guys, search terms. So these are the keywords that are gonna help us get out there and get as much views as possible. So what I like to do is use a special tool called morningfame.me. I use this for every single video I upload on YouTube. It helps me and it makes my life so much easier. So what I can do is I can go back to BitChute, right? I can close this, and I can do something like I can do something like weight loss journey, right? I can do something like this. And now I can click on this keyword. So now that we have our keyword, right, I can click on choose for step 4. Now it says competition too high. Now that doesn't matter because morningfame.me is working with YouTube. So that means the information that MorningFame passes is from YouTube. But since we're using BitChute, this is nothing to worry about. Just click on continue to step 4. So now I'm gonna scroll down, and as you can see guys, here are the tags. I'm gonna click on this little link, keep the check mark and remove all other, right? So click on yes. And now these are the best keywords for the search term. So weight loss journey, weight loss tips, and weight loss diet. So I can add these 3 keywords to my video, right? So I'm gonna delete this. Weight loss diet. I'm gonna do weight loss tips and also weight loss journey. All right, so now that we have the title, description, the affiliate link, and the tags, now it's time to grab the thumbnail. So you can scroll through the video, right, just like that. And we can grab the thumbnail from this part of the video. So click on grab thumbnail, and as you can see guys, it's loading, and now everything is done. We can proceed and publish the video. So this is the entire strategy on how to get thousands of eyeballs to your affiliate offers. This works like a charm, but you need to stay consistent, guys. You need to upload, re-upload videos every single day. Now guys, I promise you, if this video gets 1,000 views, at least 1 or 2 people are gonna purchase the product when they click on this link, because chances are people watching these types of videos are interested in losing weight, and they're going to be interested in the product that you're promoting. So if you enjoyed this video and if you found it valuable, make sure to leave a like below to support this channel and subscribe if you're new. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and I'll see you in the next video.